What are some of the things that you learned while doing this block?
Okay, the FlexiFoam pulls, and so it puckers. I added fusible backing, and
not
you can
as
tell
puckered.
it's a little better. So this one, I added a basting box around it, and Terrial Magic, because I knew it had to have some kind of stiffness to help it.
Yeah, tell us the reason why we're seeing this.
FlexiFoam gives it the coolest whipped cream look to it.
I changed it to a medium cutaway.
Okay.
And it's perfect.
And
It looks
look at
great.
it.
It's perfect.
I sent
really
the picture
great.
to Fern and I went, this is it, right there.
Oh my goodness.
That's the thing.
That was the ticket for you?
It was.
I promise you this, that if you will, try some of these steps, it will make the biggest difference in your next embroidery project. So.
Yeah.